definition of the word tener is to have. This is also used for certain expressions that could also mean to be. These forms follow the meaning to be are ser and a star. Ser explains the characteristics that are permanent, while a star uses them to describe temporary characteristics. Tener is an irregular verb that indicates that you have to remember its conjugations. It is also a e to ie stem changer, which changes the to form, the usted form, and the ustedes form. There are two formulas for the word tener. The tener plus k plus infinitive formula explains what we have to do, while tener plus ganas de plus infinitive explains what you feel like doing. This example represents the way of writing the tener plus k plus infinitive formula. As you use tener in your sentence, you have to conjugate tener to whatever form you are currently using. Add k after the word tener, then add an infinitive at the end to describe what I, you, or any of us can possibly be doing. This example represents the tener plus ganas de plus infinitive formula. Again, as you use tener in your sentence, you have to use the right conjugation to whatever form you are using for tener. Then use ganas de. Then describe what I, you, or anyone feels like doing in your sentence. There is then another formula called the tener plus number plus años. This describes how old somebody is, and as followed, you have to use a form of tener while conjugated, use any number describing somebody's age, then use the word años at the end. With the form of tener, there are tener idioms. These idioms explain what or how is something. There are many other ways you can use these idioms in your sentence. There are about at least 20 different ways you could use these. For an example, we can describe at least 3 things in my locker with using the word tener. As describing you as what is in your locker, you have to use the conjugation of the word tener for tango as your answer. And the 3 things I have in my locker are books, pencils, and notebooks. So as you find the definitions of what these are, you should come up with tango libros, lápices, y cuadernos en mi casillero. To express an idiom or an expression, you have to describe what you are feeling. For example, I've used 2 sentences describing how I am feeling. For example, hace mucho frío means how cold it is, while tener sueño means to be sleepy.